Alright guys, welcome back to Every Day with me, Nick. And I've got some more wood on the mill, and it was a tackle. We've cleared some of the firewood area out over there where the tractor is, because I'd left a load of firewood cut up there, and you know how it is. You put something somewhere and you think it's out the way, and then you realise that there was some wood back here where my finger is that I needed to get to. Never mind, we got it out. So and I wanted to get to these ash logs that I have left over. So I've got this one that's cut at 1900 long, 1.9 meters long, and I've got one that's cut at 1200 there. And basically what I want to try and do is try and get a few more of these ash slats out with, because remember off the last video where I've been asked to make some crab pot bottoms. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So basically going to fire the mill up, try and see what she looks like inside, get them down to 20 mil thick, and just keep rizzling them out. I think I am going to change the blade over soon because it's getting a bit dull, and this ash is cutting well, but it does gum up a little bit as well, which I didn't think it would do. I am using them 1.5 inch bands on here, so there they are. I'm trying to use minimal water because it blacks the wood when I cut. So yeah, I'm going to do that. What else we got? Yeah, it's all on the mill, it's ready to go. So I'm going to try and get some out of this log. This is a bit of a crooked log, but we'll see how we go. It sounds good, sounds well inside, so I'm hoping it's not going to be as bad as some of these, which you'll see if I find one. You see how this brown is on the, that's no good, that. So I'm going to see where he says. But yeah, let's go. So I haven't fired the mill up yet, so we'll get that done and do that. How is everybody? I hope everyone's doing good. And we're seeing these nice, well, these vintage saws that I've got as well. I don't know if you've noticed them. Let's spin you around. This one, I tried cutting a log yesterday, it took forever. I don't know if it's a 2-man saw with it having handle at that end and a handle at this end. But this is a warranted Superior, and what I found out on the internet was it was a guy called Mr. Warren and Mr. Ted, and they're joined up in a company and make warranted Superior, or warranted Superior. I'm not sure what these other saws are, but I got them for £4 so I can't really complain. So I think I'll try and get them cleaned up, and I don't think I'm ever going to use them, but I want to try and maybe on some of them get my Sawmill name cut into the blade itself. I think that would look pretty cool. Anywho, I'm babbling. Let's just get on to the cutting and yeah, just get going. How is everybody? I hope everyone's doing good. Let me know if you've done out new, done out different. I've got myself some new braces. I'm sick of my pants falling down, so got these on Amazon. So yeah, we're all ready to go. So let's go. Alright, mill's fired up, let's get to it. What didn't I do, guys? Didn't check the petrol. Petrol. Gasoline, whatever you want to call it. Right, go get some petrol. Right, should we try that again? Get back to it after everyone's come by and said hello. Right, let's go. Alright folks, right there's that one all milled up. Don't know if that footage come out bad there or not. I'll best check that. Yeah, it was fine. So we've got 24 lengths there. Get 2 out of each length. So that's 48. Plus some left in here. Got a few lined up there. So they've got to go on the resaw. Always something. So I'm going to go get this, I'm going to roll this one on and get this one done. See if we can get that done. So I'll just time lapse you now. Bye. There we go, guys. Tell you what, I feel like I've been milling and it's like I don't think I've quite got over 200 boards here yet, so I have got some to go back through. There's quite a few here actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boards there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25. So another 25 boards in there that'll get a couple out of each one. So maybe another potentially 40, nearly 50 maybe. I reckon I've just got about 200 and max 250. And I've run out of ash. I don't know what to do now. I have to get my logging guy on it. Right. Oh well. Well, thank you very much for watching. What I need to do now is going to be the most boringest job, but I've got to get a jig set up so that I can get them just on a chop saw, square head, then 3 foot, 3 foot, 3 foot, just rinse and repeat. So anyway, right, what are we doing? Oh, we've got some wood coming, haven't I? I'll have to wait for that. So yeah, hope everyone's doing all right. Look at it all out there. A lot of boards to cut. Could do with a saw set up somewhere. I don't know. I'm not set up at all for this, like. Anyway, right guys, take it easy. See you on the next video. Bye for now.